If you're planning a trip to Galle, you've likely seen the photos of the stunning colonial hotels and the sunset over the fort walls. But then you see the prices. What if that dream trip feels just out of reach? Forget the 5-star resorts that every travel guide recommends. What if you could stay right on the beach for less than the cost of a taxi from the airport? Or find a secret villa with a private pool for a quarter of what you'd expect to pay? Today, we'll discover the best hotels in Galle under budget that you've probably never heard of. You'll go beyond the tourist traps to uncover the city's best-kept secrets. This is your ultimate guide to budget travel in Galle, proving that an incredible Sri Lankan experience doesn't have to break the bank. It's time to find your hidden gem. Here's the plan for this travel guide. You're going to check out 4 completely different hidden gems, arranged from the lowest price to the highest. You're talking a super budget-friendly guest house right on the beach, a private villa with a pool that feels like luxury, an authentic homestay that's all about culture, and a spot that oozes historical charm right inside the famous Galle Fort. This Sri Lanka tour is all about showing you the alternative to the pricey hotels. You're seeking out the places run by local families, tucked away from the crowds, that offer not just a bed, but a real connection to the city. Your journey starts just outside the fort, in a tuk-tuk, weaving through the vibrant streets as you head toward the sound of the Indian Ocean. First up, you're finding the ultimate beachside bargain. Hotel number 1. The Beachside Bargain Seashine Beach Guesthouse. Your first stop is for the beach lovers on a seriously tight budget. After a short tuk-tuk ride to the Unawatuna and Hikkaduwa area, known for gorgeous quieter beaches and some of the best cheap hotels near Galle, you've arrived at Seashine Beach Guesthouse. With rooms starting at just $27 a night, this place is the definition of a bargain. This humble guest house is a completely different vibe, and that's why it's fantastic. It's not a 4-star or 5-star hotel. It's about providing simple, clean comfort in an unbeatable location. And when you hear unbeatable, it means you are literally steps away from the sand. A quick room tour shows the room is basic but has everything you actually need for a great stay. A comfortable bed, a clean private bathroom, and that all-important AC. It's the perfect base for someone who plans to spend their days exploring the coast and just needs a safe, clean place to sleep. Nearby tourist attractions. You're right on Narragamme Beach, a quieter stretch of sand where you can watch local life unfold. The famous Hikkaduwa Coral Reef is just a short ride away, and Galle Fort itself is about a 15 kilometers trip when you're ready to explore the city. Why is it a hidden gem? This place is the definition of a hidden gem because the value is insane. It's proof that you can have that Sri Lankan beach paradise experience on a shoestring budget. You're away from the tourist crowds, so you get a peaceful local experience for a price that's hard to beat. For travelers who put sun, sand, and savings first, this is an absolute winner. Hotel number 2. The unbelievable find, Thenu Villa. For your next stop, you might be looking for something that feels luxurious but without that scary price tag. Can you find a hidden gem in the Galle area with a swimming pool on a budget? The answer is a resounding yes. Welcome to Thenu Villa. Located a short ride from the main hustle, this place is a showstopper. As you walk in, you're greeted by a stunning outdoor swimming pool sparkling in the sun, surrounded by a lush garden. It's your own private oasis. The interiors are contemporary and stylish with clean modern rooms that have pops of color and all the comforts you'd expect from a pricier hotel, including air conditioning and fast Wi-Fi. This is the kind of place that makes you feel like you've discovered a secret no one else knows about. Getting a hotel tour and seeing the quality firsthand, it's hard to believe the price, which is often available for around $45 a night. Nearby tourist attractions. Situated in the Hikkaduwa area, you're close to Narragamme Beach and local scuba diving spots. It's an easy base for day trips into Galle Fort, which is about a 17 kilometers drive away. Why is it a hidden gem? The value here is simply incredible, which is why this hotel review is so glowing. Finding a budget-friendly, family-friendly guest house with a private pool like this is like striking gold in the world of budget travel. It gives you a touch of luxury, privacy, and modern design, all for a price that keeps it firmly in the budget category. It's a find that travel dreams are made of. Alright, 2 incredible and affordable gems down. Would you prefer the beachside bargain at Seashine or the private pool paradise at Thenu Villa? Share your pick in the comments. And hey, if the Sri Lanka travel guide is helping you plan your trip, a quick click on that subscribe button helps keep the search for these amazing budget hotels in Galle going. Now it's time to head into the heart of the action, the Galle Fort. Hotel number 3, the authentic homestay, Shoba Traveler's Tree. Now you are inside the historic walls of Galle Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, to see a different kind of budget experience. Your third hidden gem, Shoba Traveler's Tree, is all about community, culture, and connection. With rooms starting around $30 to $35, it's one of the most affordable options inside the fort. The moment you step inside, you feel its cozy, welcoming atmosphere. This isn't your typical hotel. It's a true homestay designed for travelers who want to connect with hosts and each other. The common areas are the soul of the place, filled with books, comfy cushions, and travelers sharing stories. The rooms are simple, clean, and comfortable, stripping away non-essentials to focus on what matters: experience. Nearby tourist attractions. You are right in the middle of it all. Step outside, and you're on Peddler Street, famous for its shopping. You can walk to the Galle Lighthouse, the Dutch church, the fort walls, and the clock tower in minutes. Why is it a hidden gem? The number 1 reason is the host family. Their warmth is legendary, and staying here offers a window into authentic Sri Lankan life you can't get at a bigger hotel. For a solo traveler or anyone craving a genuine cultural exchange on a budget, this place is perfect. It offers a priceless experience and is one of the best cheap hotels you can find right inside Galle Fort. Hotel number 4, the elegant Secret Arches Fort. Your last stop is for those who want that classic Galle Fort historical charm without the high-end price tag. Arches Fort is a 3-star hotel that feels far more luxurious, perfectly blending history and comfort. Walking into this lovingly restored, family-run guest house, you're greeted by quiet elegance. The architecture is beautiful, with the classic arches that give the place its name and a sense of history in the walls. After a day of exploring, it feels like coming home. You'll be genuinely shocked by the quality of the room for what it costs, which is typically around $60 a night. You're talking polished floors, a massive king-sized bed, and a clean, modern bathroom. But the real gem factor isn't just the room. It's the whole experience, especially the food. The complimentary authentic Sri Lankan breakfast is phenomenal: fresh fruit, string hoppers, and dal curry that will fuel you for a day of exploring the things to do in Sri Lanka. Nearby tourist attractions. Its location on Lighthouse Street is perfect. You are just a short walk from Galle Fort Beach, the iconic Galle Lighthouse, the Dutch church, and the Galle Fort National Museum. Why is it a hidden gem? Arches Fort delivers a premium experience for a fraction of what the big-name colonial hotels down the street charge. It hits that perfect sweet spot between location, comfort, and authentic hospitality, proving that you don't need to book a 5-star hotel to experience the elegance of Galle, Sri Lanka. Some hotel facts are just surprising, and the value here is one of them. So, there you have it, 4 incredible and different hidden gems for your first time in Sri Lanka. First, Seashine Beach Guesthouse starting at $27 a night, the ultimate beachside bargain for sunseekers on a tight budget. Second, the unbelievable find, Thenu Villa at around $45 a night, proving you can get affordable luxury with a private pool. Third, the heart of Galle at Shoba Traveler's Tree for $30 to $35 a night, the perfect homestay for solo travelers seeking genuine cultural connection. And finally, Arches Fort, your elegant secret inside the fort for around $60 a night, for those who want historic charm and premium comfort. Standing on the Galle Fort walls as the sun sets over the Indian Ocean, it becomes clear the real magic of the city isn't in the most expensive resorts. It's hidden in these quiet lanes and in the smiles of the hosts who welcome you into their homes. A top recommendation has to be Arches Fort. It perfectly captures Galle's history, charm, and warmth at a fair price. But honestly, any of these places offers a unique way to experience this corner of Sri Lanka. Hopefully, this guide has shown you that an authentic and memorable trip to Galle is more affordable than you think. If you loved these hidden gems and want more travel secrets from Sri Lanka and beyond, make sure you subscribe. Now for the big question. Which of these hotels would you book? Share in the comments and tell us, where should the search for hidden gems go next? Thanks for watching, and see you on the next adventure.